At Miami EdTech, we're passionate about bridging the gap between education and technology. Our mission is to empower educators like you to inspire the next generation of tech-savvy students. Miami EdTech's founder, Carlos Vasquez, grew up in the Bronx and saw firsthand how underrepresented communities often lack access to crucial educational resources. That's why we're here, to make a difference in Miami's tech landscape. Our journey began with a vision to integrate computer science and digital skills into every classroom. Today, we offer a range of programs designed to equip teachers, students, and the local workforce with the tools they need to succeed in our digital world. Our programs are diverse and impactful. We provide comprehensive training for teachers, covering essential computer science topics and industry certifications in languages like JavaScript, Python, and Java. Our workshops ensure you stay ahead in an ever-evolving digital landscape. We offer comprehensive training for the FTCE Computer Science K-12 exam, featuring hands-on instruction, exam preparation, detailed study guides, and dedicated office hours. With a pass rate exceeding 70%, our program ensures that teachers receive the essential skills and knowledge they need to excel and effectively educate their students. Our hands-on activities bring STEM to life for students, from coding with drones to exploring electric vehicle fundamentals. Programs like Riders Robotics League and Introduction to AI make learning exciting and relevant. We partner with local industries to connect job seekers with opportunities, focusing on emerging technologies. Our online platform, Workforce.Miami, helps build a robust local workforce, ready for the demands of today's job market. At Miami EdTech, we believe that access to computer science is a social justice issue. By providing teachers with the necessary skills and resources, we can ensure that all students have the opportunity to thrive in our digital economy. Join us in making a lasting impact on Miami's education landscape. Sign up for our training programs, explore our resources, and become part of a community dedicated to educational excellence and innovation. Visit us at miamiedtech.com or contact us at info@miamiedtech.com for more information. Miami EdTech. Success in tech starts here.